Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Figma and loading the exact file you'll adjust, because changes apply to that workspace. Once done, make sure you're using the desktop or latest browser version so the interface responds correctly. You'll want to locate the toolbar area, top or left, so you know what to move. Now switch to the Move/Select tool and prepare to access View and Settings. This is where the toolbar options live, so proceed without delay. You now open the View menu or the three-line hamburger menu and look for UI or toolbar settings. Once visible, select Toolbar Customization. This reveals placement toggles and drag handles. You can drag the toolbar to a new edge if the interface supports it, or pick a specific option such as top, left, or compact. As you reposition, watch how the canvas responds. Making small adjustments helps preserve your layout and prevents tool overlap during the move. Finish by confirming the toolbar's new position and testing key tools like the Move tool, Frame tool, and Properties panel to ensure nothing is hidden. Once satisfied, save or let Figma sync automatically. If something goes wrong, first reload the file. If that fails, reset the toolbar to default from the same UI menu. Make sure your app is updated and clear cache if persistent issues occur. These steps usually restore normal behavior without losing work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.